What is going on, guys? In this exact video, we're going to go over, should you guys be day trading or should you guys be swing trading? So let's go on ahead and get into this. Let's go.
I've been getting dirty money.
So I get a lot of new traders. I get a lot of newer people wanting to invest their money, be able to retire, do all these different things, be able to replace their income now with being able to day trade from their computer, their laptop, whatever the case it is. Now, that's 100% awesome. I agree. You guys should be looking to make more money if that's what you guys' goals are. You can even do it from just a phone. We've all done it. We've all done the research. We've all looked things up on our phone. I'm sure probably some of you guys are watching this video on your phone. It's an amazing resource. But should you guys be actually looking to learn how to day trade, or should you guys be looking to learn how to swing trade? Two completely different things. And there's a couple categories of swing trading if you ask me. So a day trade is literally if you buy, say the market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, my time, 9:30 a.m. and it closes at 4. So that means you're entering a position during that time and you're still closing that position during that time. That's a day trade. And yes, there are ways around the PDT rule and so far and so forth if you guys are asking that question. A swing trade is you're buying, say it's on Monday at 9:35 a.m. or anywhere between 9:30 to 4, you buy that day and you hold overnight. And then that is technically a swing trade. Now that could be multiple nights that you hold over. It could be a month that you hold over. I mean, it could be a couple months really if you're swing trading. Now, a lot of these times, I don't hold for months at a time. I will end up buying and I will end up selling the next day or within the next week or two. If you guys are my students, you guys know why we do that and so forth and so others. But if you guys are an absolute beginner, you guys are just starting, should you guys actually be learning to day trade or swing trade? If you guys have jobs and you guys can't watch the market all day long and be looking for entry points all day long, you guys should be learning to swing trade. And I say that because day trading, you're literally going to have to sit here and watch your phone all day and just keep waiting for that certain position to open and waiting for the right time and support, resistance, what's confirmation, where's this at, when am I going to be able to sell it at? What's it doing? Am I going to have to cut my loss? Things like that. When you're swing trading, you have some of those worries, but it's not near as intense. Because with day trading, if a stock is uptrending, you can still short it and make money because there's pullbacks and there's push-ups and all these different kinds of things. Now, when it comes down to actually swing trading, you're more worried about the actual overall push, or in one direction or the other. You're not worried about every single pullback. If you're worried about every single pullback, you're day trading. And that's where it really comes down to is if you're day trading, you can make money on every pullback or every push up. And it's called scalping. And most day traders are scalpers. I've scalped. I've made a lot of money scalping personally. I've made a lot more here in this past year swing trading though. Why? Because I'm able to, again, I have an exact strategy that I use to be able to do this, and it tells me when to enter, and then I wait for 20%, and then I exit. Now, sometimes when you're holding overnight, some things gap up and they gap down. Sometimes they're in your direction, sometimes they're not, but I've woke up to students having 200% winners. I've woke up to 100% winners plus more, You have to be able to control your emotions as a day trader as well. So if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend learning how to swing trade first, because day trading is going to take up a lot of your time. If you're at work, you don't have a computer, you're not being able to be on your phone all day, I would not highly recommend it because you're more than likely to get burnt. With the swing trade, you can enter the position whenever you want, and then you know what? If you're going to go out for the day, or you can set a limit order to sell, and when it hits your price that you want to sell it at, it sells as long as there's somebody there going to buy it and the stock is up, or down, depending on if you're buying calls or puts or if you're trading options or whatever it is. it takes a lot of stress out. When I'm on vacation, guys, I don't day trade at all. I only swing trade. And why is that? Because me and my girlfriend, when we're in Florida and stuff, and we want to go to the beach, we want to, during the day when the stock market's open, I don't want to sit there on the beach and watch it and irritate her and make her mad at me. I'm sure you guys have family members that are the same way. That instead, if we want to go get breakfast, I want to go get caffeine, I want to go do these things, maybe I want to go get Starbucks early in the morning with my girlfriend since we're on vacation, I'm able to enter my position, whether it's on my phone or whatever it is, as long as it fits my strategy, and then I put a sell order already out there. I don't even worry about it. I know more than likely this is going to take either a day or a few days, and sometimes even up to a week. And that's why we have the strategic part, and that's why I teach it all. But we're able to go away. I'm able to go to the beach, hang out for the day, and I could be up a lot of money. And until it hits that thing, I'm not selling it. So again, swing trading is by far the easier of the two overall, and it's going to be way, way less stressful on you guys as long as you guys are willing to do the work and actually be able to trust the process. If you're not able to trust the process, then day trading is going to be for you, and you're probably going to lose at first. Most people do lose at first, but again, trust the process. Learn what you're doing, and I think overall you'll be able to make money as long as you guys buy into a process. If you guys don't buy into a process and you guys don't trust the process, then it's pointless to do either, because you're probably going to lose money doing both. I'm just being 100% honest with you guys. I hope this helps somebody out there. If you guys have any questions about either one, you guys are always welcome to leave a comment below. I respond to all of them, and if not, and you guys got questions for me personally, MC_trading is my Instagram. I respond to absolutely every single DM out there that is sent to me. DM me. I will be more than willing to talk to you on the phone or whatever we got to do to make you feel more comfortable in this market. So thank you guys all for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video.